Good morning, SY student. I hope your exams of CE1 must be better. I mean, you must be able to get good marks in your internal. Now let us focus for external. So let us continue with the chapter which we were dealing with. And now, today onwards, your journey will be more interesting because I will teach you tools and techniques of computer which will assist us to do the work of research effectively and efficiently. So if we'll go to the syllabus part, I think first unit we have already finished, second unit is also done effectively, third unit we have seen everything, okay? And now we have also seen during last lecture regarding data presentation, how we make the data processing, how the coding could be done, how the editing could be done, how classification and tabulation, one-way table, two-way table, three-way tables, we everything we have seen, and how it can be graphically presented. Now this all we will be learning by using of computer. Okay. When we talk about statistical tools of measurement of central tendency, measurement of dispersion, everything, we have learned everything in theoretically. Are you able to recollect? We did mean, median, mode. Yes or no? Are you able to recollect? These are the questions we did. So today we are going to see all these things in the computer. Okay. The same Excel I'm going to use for using it in better way, in faster way. So what we have seen in manually we have collected the mean of this, and mean of it we got sum of all uh, divided by number of all, and how many data we had of individual series. But if you go to the computer, we know it is an average. So directly if I'll apply the formula of average, easily we can get the answer what we have collected manually. Very easy. Okay. So what I did, we have applied average formula. So when you will apply the average formula, what will happen? See, for your reference, just put to the last average, select average. They will ask you for which you want to have the average. So let me see till here, and if just I'll put the enter, automatically I'll get. So rather than having those manual calculation which takes lot of time, it's better we can do it by using the computer. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. And likewise, we will be going to use many techniques today which will help us to make our research more interesting and more faster. I will not teach you some extraordinary technique which is known as SPSS or something like that, which is also used in, there are 48 different softwares, almost 50 different softwares which are used by researcher to complete their data analysis, data tabulation, interpretation. Of course, they have to do it with their own. Not only this, even though any kind of complex data, like this C, second data was very complex in point it was given to 1.8. Let us see whether formula is working or not. Here I have not calculated. Again, I will put average. Again, I will select this data. Same answer we got, 2.07. So I hope you must have got a confidence how easily we can use the computer for doing our research process faster. Okay, and it is more accurate. Even in fraction also they are giving us data. So likewise, not only mean, not only median, not only mode, every data with a fraction of second we can get. Okay, let us see whether it is happening or not. This is all manually we have done, and you have also practiced along with me. You also assisted me, mean deviation from mean deviation from median. But basic knowledge is very much required. ये बेसिक्स मैंने मैनुअली करा था और आपको सिखाया था from different questions taken from the textbook. Okay, now let us use it in computer manner. Okay, same thing we are going to use by using one formula, and I will get all the details. So for that, say for example, this is the detail. This is the question given whereby there was a standard test administered by 30 students to determine their IQ score. Recorded the following data. So some student got 120, some student got 150, some student got 118. Again, it is a question of individual series, what we have seen just now, which manually we did in our previous lectures. Now today with computer, see how effectively I am going to do it. So these are the standard tests of administrating 30 students and their IQ score. These scores are recorded in following tables. These are the tables. Okay. Now they are asking to get the mean, median, mode, everything. I have shown you the question also. So these are the questions which we are going to discuss. This you all can exercise, you can practice. So if they ask for the graphical presentation, it's very simple. We will take the data, bar diagram. these are the data. These are the years, these are the sales. Now they want it in graphical way for presenting our data. Very simple. We'll go. Through this insert, we can put, we got the details. These are the graphical presentation of data. Okay. And suppose if you want to take, so by data, selecting the data, putting it in to insert column, going there, putting it in different chart. There are different chart formats, whether it is bar diagram, whether it is template, what kind of data you want. Just you have to put the detail, they will ask, and automatically they will uh, display the data in whatever the, may it be bar diagram, may it be pie diagram, may it be line diagram. All the way you can easily present your data by using the computer. So this is one which you have already used several times in your school and colleges. Today I am going to teach you something different, which is called as descriptive measures. So for that, you have to use data analysis tool. How to get the data analysis tool? If you go to uh, before home button, main button, and if you go to Excel option, they are going to ask add in bar. Okay, thereby there is a basic tools of data analysis tool pack, basic. You click there, it will make it go, automatically it will display. If you are not having in your uh, computer, kindly add this, what I want in your taskbar, data analysis tool pack. Okay, so these details questions are there. After this is the descriptive measures. Standard test is used. These are the database. Okay, they are asking you to calculate arithmetic mean, median, mode, range of the data, standard deviation, skewness, and quaternions. Everything they are asking. How to get this? Very simple. What I did, I have taken the data over here. Let's see. 120, 115, 118, same data I have taken. Okay. And now what I will do, I'll go for the data analysis tool pack and I'll ask for the descriptive analysis. Where it is? Yes, descriptive statistics. They'll ask me what range you want, what for which data you want the descriptive analysis. So I will say, सर यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डेटा जो है, जो IQ स्कोर है 30 स्टूडेंट का, for them I want the descriptive analysis. Okay, label and all I will teach you later on. So data ले लिया उन्होंने. Now they will ask for output range. Okay, and I want the output should be here so that you can compare. With one data, sir, with one detail, you have got me all the output over here, and we can compare. The answer is remaining same. Okay, and it will give you the summary of statistics. Okay, summary statistics. I want the output over here. This is input range. Okay, this is my output range. What I want, summary statistics. I will say okay. आ गया वही आंसर. देखो एक क्लिक में we got everything. We got mean also, we got standard error also, we got median also, mode also. And since beginning when we are studying the basic part, I told you these all are known as measurement of central tendency. Even in the syllabus also it is very clearly stated. Different tools and technique for measurement of central tendency. So what was the tools and technique of measurement of central tendency? They were mean, median, and mode. Then measurement of dispersion, correlation, regression, everything. Rather than learning manually, now let us learn by using the computer, Excel, because in future, now if we'll do the research, we never expect you to do the things manually. We expect you to do the things, but manually. By now you may ask, sir, आपने फिर manually क्यों सिखाया? To understand the logic. Okay, you are not knowing even for which kind of data we should apply mean, for which kind of research we will apply median, for which kind of research we will apply mode. तो मैंने बताया था very basic example. If I am asking the height of the student, I will go for mean. But if I am asking the age of student, I will apply mode. But if I am asking income or expenditure level of the student, then I will go for median. Okay, or the share price of TCS during last evening, I will go for median, so on and so forth. Many a times I have given you the example where there were three players, four players. तभी हम लोगों ने वहां से we started with measurement of this person. Just recollect yourself. Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Rishabh Pant. Okay. From here we started learning measurement of this person. What we found, their average is 50 only. In such case, measurement of central tendency is failing. They are not assisting us. So when the measurement of central tendency fail, then we will start with measurement of this person. Then we are going to learn measurement of this person. Mean deviation from mean deviation from mode, everything we have learned from that book and we have practiced. But today, what we found, it's very easy for us to have the descriptive analysis. Only we need to have the data. Okay? And here you can put descriptive analysis, so on and so forth. Everything, how many details was there? 30 observation has been taken. What was the total of those 30 observation? Was 3,822. That is why we got average like this. What was the maximum of this? So you just check, you will find 142. What was the minimum? So you will find 115 somewhere. Require. What was the range? 27. What was the quartiles? What was the squiness? So rather than having those so many things which we were learning through statistical tools in these formulas, you know, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस करते थे हम लोग, याद है? So having these formulas, putting them into consideration, using so much of things. See, these are the dispersion. सारा चीज उसमें आ गया. Everything with one fraction of time, one formula, I got all these details. If you use the normal Excel, you may not get. That is why I'm asking what you need to do. In Excel, you have to modify. Anybody who is there with laptop, let us have an experience. Any student who is there with laptop, any student who have joined with laptop, am I audible to you all? ओनली अंकित को सुनाई दे रहा है, बाकी पूरा क्लास तो लगता है डांडिया खेलने चला गया. कावेरी इज ऑल्सो लिसनिंग. रियल इज लिसनिंग. ओके, चलो कम से कम सुनाई तो दे रहा है. So I was asking, is there anyone who have started learning, like I'm teaching always through laptop, never by mobile phone. One or other day I have tried, so that someday if some problem comes, I should be in a position to teach you. Yes or no? So anyone in this class who have laptop right now for their learning? Because now there is no teaching, there is demonstration. We will be having workshop. I'll teach you and I will ask you to do it. Anyone who is having laptop? Khyati is having laptop. Ankit is having laptop. Parth, Real, you are having laptop? Now these children kindly start their video mode on. Only Ankit. What about remaining? मैंने बोला ना, I want 8117. Khyati also. कौन है? 8107 8246. Who got the laptop? Okay, Kathy is not having. Who is having the laptop other than Ankit? So Ankit, I'm asking you to share your screen. Huh? I'm giving this option to you. Now you will be. So go to your, like I was sharing my screen, you can share your screen. See, next time if the student is without laptop, please don't join and don't come for the session. I will not allow you to attend my lecture very clearly. अंकित नाउ गो टू एक्सेल, यहाँ पे एक्सेल दिख रहा है ना आपको, एक्सेल पे जाइए। ये तो इस पे चले गए यार, वेब पे चले गए, एक्सेल इस पे जाओ, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पे जाओ। MS एक्सेल, यस, ओपन करो। मैं डेटा में जाओ, देखो डेटा एनालिसिस टूल पैक है क्या। एक्सेप्ट, लगता है नया। Finish all this formality as per your convenience. Take your own time. No, get data is not. Data analysis tool pack नहीं है ना? Not there. फाइल के ऊपर जाओ, देखो फाइल में आ रहा है क्या वो ऑप्शन। गो टू फाइल। नो होम नहीं, ऑप्शंस में जा, लास्ट। हाँ, यहाँ पे एडिंग्स में जा, सेकेंड लास्ट, सेकेंड लास्ट। हाँ, हाँ, डेटा एनालिसिस टूल पैक दिख रहा है, इसको क्लिक कर। ऊपर 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 पहला ही है इन। हाँ, ठीक है। हाँ, गो कर। वेट 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 बाबा। हाँ, गो, एक्सेप्ट कर, हाँ, ओके कर। So now we will be getting data analysis in data column. Go to again home page, फाइल में जा, होम पे जाओ। हो गया हो गया हो गया, वो हो गया, अभी इंस्टॉल हो गया बाबा। नाउ गो टू डेटा पैक। हाँ, डेटा एनालिसिस आया, देखो कॉर्नर पे आया। So this is the lesson for everyone. See, इसमें everything है। We have ANOVA, one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, correlation, descriptive, F-test, T-test, histogram, moving average. Get down, get down. Everything you'll find. Regression, sampling. अगर आपको sampling ढूंढना है, how much sample for this much of population we should take, everything is there. T-test with two sample, T-test with two sample with equal variance, T-test with two sample assuming unequal variance, two sample for means, सारी चीज दिए हुए, खाली आपको क्लिक करना है, आपको आंसर आएगा। So basic सारे you know uh, matrix analysis, okay, parametric test, which is known for analyzing the data. There are two kind of data. I told you several times. One is metric data, another is non-metric data. These all will be applicable when you have the data in numbers. Just now you have seen IQ score, which were there in numbers 15, 18, 22, 28, 45, 42, like that. Okay, so whenever the data is there in numbers, you can apply these tests easily. Okay, all uh, kind of parametric test which is applicable and useful for any kind of data analysis easily can be conducted with the help of Excel. Otherwise, there are other tools and techniques. There are many. I will teach you during next lecture. There are 50 different statistical tools, but I am not teaching because that is not user friendly. But I believe Excel is user friendly. आप लोग सबने Excel तो वापरा रहेगा. So Excel से research सीखो. I don't want to make your research complicated one. I want make your research for interesting one. You should enjoy doing research. You should understand what are the different parameters of research, how we should conduct the research. That is why I'm asking you to use the very simple techniques, not the very technical things. Okay, so that is why kindly update this. And now if you have any kind of data, Ankit, if you have similar data, let me see, I don't know how we can share with you. uh, if you can write very quickly, मैं आपको दिखा सकता हूँ क्या क्या है. एक 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 में खाली उसका स्कोर लिखते जाओ, तो अभी सबको पता चल जाएगा. इवन इन योर एक्सेल ऑल्सो आंसर इज सेम. तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ व्हाट ऑल. मैं अपना डेटा ही नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ. हाँ, एक मिनट. हाँ, लिखो वहां पे लिखते जाओ. तो अंकित क्या मैं डेटा दे रहा हूँ? 120. लिखो फटाफट. फर्स्ट कॉलम में 120, सेकेंड कॉलम में 115, ऐसा लिखते जाओ. 115, 118, 118, next 132, next 135, next 125, next 122, next 140, next 137, next 127, next 129, next 130, next 116, next 119, next 132, next 127, next 133, next 126, next 120, next 125, next 130, next 134, next 135, next 127, next 116, next 115, next 125, next 130, next 142, next 140. तो टोटल 30 आए रहेंगे डिटेल्स. नहीं, एक मिसिंग है. अच्छा, हाँ, 1 to 30. चलो नेक्स्ट कॉलम में जा फटाफट. वी डोंट हैव मच टाइम. 1 minute. डायरेक्ट जा डेटा एनालिसिस. गो टू डेटा एनालिसिस फास्ट. गो टू डिस्क्रिप्टिव एनालिसिस. नेक्स्ट 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 थोड़ा नीचे. हाँ, डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टैटिस्टिक्स. ओके ओके कर फटाफट. हाँ, उस वो पूछ रहा है इनपुट रेंज. ले 122, 142 जितने भी 30 रिस्पोंडेंट है वहां सेलेक्ट कर. हाँ, वो हाँ, वही कॉलम पूरा. ओहो, 120 मिस किया तू सिलेक्शन में. स्टार्टिंग से सेलेक्ट कर. ओहो, कट मत कर यार, वापस सेलेक्ट करना. So this is how I need to teach every student. Go down, 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 down. और नीचे और नीचे और नीचे. बस 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 बस. यस. लीव एवरीथिंग. गो टू आउटपुट रेंज. आउटपुट रेंज को क्लिक करो पहले. हाँ, अब पुट हियर समवेयर कर्सर. अदर देन दैट, हाँ, वहाँ कर्सर रखो. सेकेंड कॉलम, थर्ड कॉलम. फास्ट. यस, ओके कर दो.